Hi, third grade, chapter 12, fractions. Woohoo! Probably get a lot of videos on fractions because I want to make sure you understand everything you need to know about fractions. It is harder. It's just a harder chapter. So we're going to look at the poem. Okay, I always like the poems. I want to ask you what you think about this. It says, "The life of this Q depends only on you. One step out of line and it all breaks in two." Now, what do you think a Q is? I think it comes from England, is what I'm understanding. The word comes from England. And you know what it means? A line. See this line? It's being broken in two. We've got two on one side and one on the other. Okay, so in this chapter, we will explore equivalent fractions, compare order, add and subtract fractions with models, explore mixed numbers, solve problems by using a drawing or model. And our critical thinking and finding together, we will relate the fraction strip for the thirds at the bottom of the page. So look at this third row. Okay, we had a line of 3 children, right? Let me just bring that back to your attention. 3 kids, okay? So we have 1 kid over here, the boy, and then 2 girls. It looks like girls, yeah, on this side. This is 1/3 and this is 2/3. Which is bigger? Okay, looking at these fractions, 1/3 or 2/3. Well, they're all the equal size, aren't they? They all are the same, but we're taking one of them away and putting it here, and we have 2 of them over here. Okay, this is a bigger part. You can just see it. Look at it. It's bigger than that one. Putting them together and we get the same as a whole. Okay, so look at that. Here's 1 whole and here are 3 parts and it equals the 1 whole. If you take 1/3 away, you have 2/3 left. See that? So it makes really good sense. It's great to look at figures like this. If you look at page 386, you're going to have this picture here. There are different colors in mine, and they go all the way down to 12ths, just like mine. But refer back to this page a lot when you don't understand, because it shows you 1 whole, 2 halves, 3/3, 4/4, 5/5, 6/6, 7/7, 8/8, 8/8, 9/9, 10/10, 11/11, and 12/12. Now, what did you just notice about what I read? That's right. If I have 1 whole, 1/1 would be the fraction, and that means I have a whole. If I have 2 halves, I have 2 of 2. 2/2 is 1 whole or 2 halves. See how they relate to each other? They all relate, and they're all equal in that way, but they have different parts. Okay, that's the first part of my video. I'll be back soon.